Welcome to the Scholars Learning classes. In this video, we will be starting a new topic, that is admission of a partner. See, sometimes a new partner is needed in the business. Why he is needed in the business? Just because more capital is needed. Because if a new partner will come, he'll bring some capital with him. Or when an experienced person is needed into the business to increase the goodwill or reputation of the business by taking a reputed and renowned person into the partnership. To encourage a capable employee by taking him into the partnership. There is an employee who is very good, so to encourage him, to motivate him, he is taken as the partner of the firm. So these are the certain reasons due to which the admission of partner takes place. Now, admission of partner is one of the mode of reconstitution of partnership firm under which existing agreement comes to an end and a new agreement comes into existence. A new partnership deed is prepared at the time of admission of a new partner. Now, what are the adjustments that had to be done at the time a new partner is admitted into the partnership firm? Calculation. So the first thing we do is calculation of new profit sharing ratio. How this is being done, we'll study in the other videos. Accounting treatment of goodwill, because if he has admitted, so there will be a change in the goodwill of the firm. So he brings amount of goodwill with him. There are accounting treatment for revaluation of assets and liabilities. See, the revaluation account is being prepared in which the assets and liabilities are revalued. Accounting treatment of reserves and treatment of reserves and accumulated profits. Fifth, adjustment of capitals on the basis of new profit sharing ratio. Capitals on the basis of new profit sharing ratio. Because if a partner is coming, definitely there'll be a change in the capital, also there will be change in the profit sharing ratio. He'll bring some goodwill, the assets and liabilities will be revalued because a new partnership deed will be formed. Reserves and surplus and accumulated profits will be redistributed among the old partners. Adjustment of capital, so all these adjustments are to be needed to be done at the time of admission of a new partner. In the coming video, we'll study about the numericals, how to find out the new profit sharing ratio, treatment of goodwill, right? So this was the basic of admission of a partner. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.